Hello again and welcome. This one I'm going to cover a very interesting tag that I've actually never used before. It is the BDO tag. And the BDO tag stands for the bidirectional override. It's a very interesting tag for, and it's used mostly for multilingual sites and stuff like that. The reason you would use it and the purpose of the tag is to change the left to right English or right to left, like Hebrew, I believe, and how those languages display their text. But to give you an idea, I'm just going to show you with two strings of English, and it's going to be actually kind of cool what happens. So I'm going to start with a BDO tag. And then in here you have one attribute. That's the dir, or the direction. And the direction, I'm going to do RTL, right to left. I'm going to say this is text. And then I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to say this one is going to be LTR, for left to right. And the thing is, this will actually swap the direction that the text is rendered. So if we switch this over, you'll see I have dot text imasi hut instead of this is some text. And it may seem kind of pointless, but in some cases you have a language that defaults to one direction or another. And let's say that you don't want that direction. You need a direction going the other way, or you need to change how it looks for that one specific section of text. Then you can easily do this using this tag. Now, like I said, I've never actually used it. I've never needed to use it because I usually just rely on the browser to determine whether the text is displayed right to left or left to right. But now that I know about this tag and understand it a little better, it may actually come in use for some of the more complex languages or some of the more complex multilingual sites that I work on. So go ahead and play with it. Let me know if you actually have found a use for this tag, because other than that, it seems like a pretty rare use of a tag. Anyways, peace.